Hi, my name's Horace, bike mechanic for Fix Bike Go. A big advantage of using mobile cycle repairs is that you're offered convenience, you get hassle-free servicing at your doorstep or at your place of choice. It could be at your office, it could be you've gone out for a day and you've actually got a puncture. You could call me, I'll be able to give you an immediate appointment. If the work's a little bit more extensive, I take your bike away for a few days. At least you don't have the hassle of having to take your bike to a bike shop and then having to wait maybe a week or two. I come to you and I can offer you an appointment very quickly. So if you need any bike servicing done, contact me on 07789 021 860. Call Fix Bike Go.